In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your boating license in Canada. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to operate a motorized boat in Canada, you will need a Pleasure Craft Operator Card, shortened to PCOC, which is essentially your boating license. So I'm going to go over the general steps that you have to take in order to acquire it. Keep in mind that all of this information can be found on the Government of Canada website. So through a web browser, you can go over to canada.ca and you will be able to browse through all of the information yourself. Usually it is going to be under Transport Canada, Marine Transportation, and then preparing to operate your vessel. Or you can simply look for PCOC on Google. So to keep it simple, first you will need to take a boating safety course. You can take an online course from a Transport Canada accredited provider like BoatSmart or Drive a Boat Canada, and these courses will cover the essential boating safety knowledge, including navigation, rules of the road, and emergency procedures. Alternatively, if you wouldn't like to take it online, you can also find in-person courses offered by certified instructors, so keep that in mind. Just browse through any of the course providers that they have on this page. You will find a list of accredited course providers, and you can visit any of these websites or call them at any of these numbers. As long as you go through an approved one, you will be good to go. With this done, once you have completed the course, you will need to pass a multi-choice exam. The exam tests your understanding of the course material, and if you successfully pass the exam, you will receive your PCOC. This card is valid for life, so you don't have to worry. You might need to get a replacement if needed, and all of this is available on the Transport Canada page. But like I said, you will need to provide proof of competency after all of this is done. So go over to this page, you will get all of the information needed and where you need to forward the exam to. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your boating license in Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.